First and foremost, I would like to extend my apology for not giving up. Hey, I did not stream yesterday and the other day. We literally skipped 3 days. Sunday was my resting day. We're still gonna count it as a skip, okay? Yeah, it's terrible, bruh. I apologize, okay? But there's nothing for me to say, my boys. I don't even know what to say at this point, okay? Just give me a sec. I'm trying to. Alright. How can I get through this shit? I'm just trying to fix something on the right here. Just give me a second, boys. Yep. For some reason, oh my god. Is she calling? Yep. Okay. Let me. Yep. Now I can read your guys' chats from the left. Oh, is it from the right? I don't know. I don't know. Is it my right or my left? Which one is my right? This is my right, right? My right, right? It's crazy work. What's good, boys? How are y'all doing? I hope you guys are fine. Oh shit. Yeah, bro. So we back again. As you can see, the title has changed. The title has changed to something else. Um, let me get to work. So yeah, from the way my dashboard looks, bro, you can tell we're growing. Yo, Big Flip, what's good, bro? What's popping? As you can see, we're growing every single day, bro. I just have like a sour throat, so Jesus Christ. Mm. Yeah. Can you can you possibly hear me clearly? Yeah. Thanks a lot, bro. You know what? Oh my god. Who's cussing me, bro? All said from your side. Don't worry. Okay, thank you. So I noticed for some reason there's a way my mic keeps on cutting my voice. So I noticed like the compression is way too high. So I might have to bump it down a little bit, like especially for the noise. I think this should be okay. And the compression, the compression is too high on my voice that it just skips certain words. So I might have to bump it down a little bit, and you guys will have to like deal with some small background noise. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what you gotta like. You gotta make some trade-offs. If you need some crisp vocals, then yeah, you'll have to like make some trade-offs. I think this is okay. I think this should be fine. Okay, so yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's see what we're missing out on. Yeah, big sleep, bro. Thank you, my G. So, today we have an update on the project that we're building, and I'm just gonna show you guys in a sec. Let me go straight into my community. Let me see what's going on. I'm just gonna go ahead to YouTube and grab. Let me just grab lead code and all stuff. I don't know. You see, bro, I like lead code, right? I like lead code, like when people do it, but not when I do it, because lead code is super hard. I don't know for some reason, or maybe I'm just lazy, or I'm just making excuses. I don't know. Yeah, I might have to try it out, bro. I might have to try it out. Just give me a sec. The issue is with me, like lead code, I barely give it like time, and I don't even know my fundamentals. Just try to some problem. All right, I'm going to try it. Just give me a sec. Let me drop this. Okay, just gonna say we finally live, boys, after 3 days break. I'm gonna try it out, brother. Just give me a sec. All right, I think that should be okay. Yep, that should be okay. Cool. Yep. So let me go ahead. Let me go to lead code. Let me try. Let me go see. Let me go see what is there. I actually know how to solve the two sum problem, right? Yeah, I know how to solve the two sum problem, but let me just try and see. Let's go, brother. You're a real one, brasky. I even thought you forgot me, bro. Yeah. Oh my god, let's go. It's cold, bro. It's been raining nonstop where I live. It's too cold, bro. I don't know what's going on. All right, let's go. No, not this one. Sign this one out. Not that one. I gotta continue with Google, I think. Yo, Khalid Anu, what's good, brother? How are you doing? Let me help you fine. Yep. Good morning. What's the time over there? It's actually 12. I think it's noon now. It's good afternoon, I guess. Yeah, it's good afternoon, brother. Yes, sir. Let me see. Let me see what's going on. Hopefully, it don't take much of our time. Uh bro, why does it keep taking me to I don't know if I forgot my lead code account. Can you tell me like what's your ranking on lead code, brother? Big slip. Yeah, you seem like you've been caught. Yep, yes, sir. This is the one I'm talking about. This is the one I'm talking about. Let's go to progress. Oh, jeez. Let's. Oh, under 10K. Okay. I had solved two some before, but I doubt if I can remember it though. So let me go and try my luck again. I'm so terrible, bro. I just don't. You know what's funny? Everyone that whenever I just go to YouTube and I type lead code, only thing I see is like almost everyone who's solving problems already knows what they're doing. So it just cuts off the point of someone saying lead code every day until learning lead code until I get a job or something like that. It's like, bro, you're not learning, you already know it. So it's like you already do the question, then just come on live with it. That don't make sense. So I'm going to just try without knowing anything. All right, let's see. Given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to a target. So they need indices of two numbers. When added together, they add up to the target, right? Yeah, me, I prefer projects, bro. I really don't like lit code like that because I don't know. I even for practice, I don't even like it, bro. For some reason, I don't know. It just makes you look like you're dull, bro, even if you know something already. So let's see, nums. Oh, it builds logic. I didn't know that. I didn't know it builds logic. I want to ask you a question. Okay, my brother Khalid, I'll know. Go ahead and ask. Mm, what is your question? So we have an integer. I want to ask you. Okay, cool. Let's see. Nums 2, 7, 11, 15. So somebody said I should be trying it out before just coding the problem. But I already understand what they want. So they need numbers that add up to a target. So should I do both the brute force or just straight to the solution? What do you suggest, my G? I don't know. Should we do brute force or just get to the solution? I think we should begin with the brute force. Um, where we're going to need 2 pointers, right? Is it 2 pointers? Yeah, 2 pointers. So we just keep track of I and J, right? Is it 2 pointers? I'm just saying. So I and J. So let's see how we're going to solve it. Now I will represent the first iteration and then J will represent the second iteration. So let's say we're given nums and is equals to 2 2, 7, and 11 and 15. So we need to get the output as 0 and 1. That means two numbers that add up to 9 if 9 is the target. Now let me look. That we already know the answer is 0 and 1. That means on this 0 index and the first index, you add two of them, they'll add up to 9. Obviously there's nothing else that adds to 9 again. So that means we need two for loops, right? For I can say let I, oh, first let me just get the length. Okay, say let I, and then I mean let, or cons, whatever. Let's say let n is equals to the length of the array, right, which is nums dot length. Oh my god. How many weeks should a beginner take to learn JavaScript fundamentals? Oh, that's an interesting question. Weeks. I wouldn't count myself with weeks. I would say, how long does it take you to learn a particular topic? Say you just go to your calendar and then block out your time. Say from 9, or like, let's say from 12, because realistically after lunch we're all lazy. So let me just start with 9. Say like from 9, after you wake up, like you wake up at 8, you start from 9, block out that time up to like 11:30, or maybe up to like 12 exactly. So 9 to 12 is like 3 hours, I guess. I don't know. Say 3 hours you locked in on one thing. Okay, say you're studying arrays and iterations and conditionals and all that stuff. Pack them all together. See how you can finish them within that 3 hour 3 hour block. If you don't finish it, then block another 2 or maybe 3 hours afterwards. Now let's say like at 5 p.m. up to like 8 p.m. Say I'm gonna do this, and after you do that for like 1 week straight, you'll notice that you've really done a great job. So it depends on you. Don't block yourself with like weeks. Don't say how many weeks do I need. Just say how much time can I put in without, like, because once you put like a week, it will look like it's too much for you to finish. So yeah, you might even finish arrays in one day if you're serious. Depends on you. So let's see. Okay, let's go for let I. Okay, I should start from 0, and then what else? I is gonna start from 0, huh? Okay, I is less than n, right, which is the length, and then we should just increment I. Cool. Oh my god, I'm so slow when it comes to timing. You'll have to just bear with me, my G. I haven't learned touch typing yet, and I just got my keyboard of recent, so either way we are all at a disadvantage. So let J is equals to, now where I is stopped. Okay, that's I plus 1. So we are starting from where I left and then just continue from there. And then let's say I is less than the length. I think that should be it. Then I mean not I, oh my god. You see how slow I am, my boys? Yes, sir. Alright, now we're good to go. We can just go ahead and then include what we need, okay? Now, what do we need to add here? We need two numbers that add up to the target. So, how are we going to keep track of the two numbers that are adding up to the target? So, let's see. We're going to say if array, okay, if nums, that is the first nums I, right, plus nums and then j, right? If that is true, if we have that, hold on, did I get something wrong? Okay, yep, I think that is it. Cool. Now if these ones add up, that means if nums plus this, they add up to the target, is equals to the target, something like this, I guess. target, then go ahead and print out what, say nums return. Okay, we need to return what? We need to return their indices, right? Which is I and j. Otherwise, just return null, right? Which is an empty. Yep. Otherwise, return. Wait a minute. Is it here? It's actually outside the actual outside loop. All right. Bam. Or else return an empty. Yeah, something like that. Can I share my solution, sir? Oh, bro, I finished the Next.js full stack project. Can you review it? I will. I will. Like here in comments or like in the chat. I don't know. You can send it in the chat, I guess. Can I think YouTube cannot I think YouTube cannot show it. Just add me on Discord. Yeah, I think you're already in our Discord server, right? Or maybe I'm mistaken. Let me go to the Discord server. Let me get the join. Bro, congrats, bro. Look, now we are like 100 something members. That is nuts, right? That's crazy. So let me go to YouTube. Let me just send you this link. Just give it a sec. I think I've solved the question with like with my slow pace. I'm too slow, bro. Too slow, bro. Somebody needs to give me tips for typing fast, bro. Alright, I think this is the Discord. Let me just pin this. Cool. We should be good to go. Yeah, that's okay. So let me just run this. Let's see what happened. Unexpected error. Why? I plus plus. Oh, okay. I didn't close this off. Yep, thank you for spotting that. We have another one. I knew there was something wrong here. Like for sure. Yeah. So let's go. Oh god, let's hope we passed. Oh shit, we have another issue. What's the problem? Syntax line 20. Oh yeah, bro, what? How is that even possible? Hold on. I think it should be like this, right? Now let's try it one more time. Yes! Yo, we've got we passed the what the brute force. We've got the brute force. Yes, yes, yes. Bro, I'm too slow. Oh my god. I need to improve, bro. I need to improve. All right, let me get the. Did you share the solution? You did it with brute force. Did you do it with brute force? Um. Okay. Let m is equals a new map. Oh, that's for JavaScript. Now this is like a new set, right? This is like a set. Just learn to type. You'll be perfect on it. Okay. Thank you. For let I less than the length. If m has target minus nums I, why can't you put these nums I as the complement so that we can create some we can make it more readable, right? So then return m dot get target nums I. That means we have the complement already, and then just add I to it. Or else m dot set nums I and then j. I mean, what is I, bro? Is it not supposed to be I and J? Then return. Are you sure about that, bro? I'm sure this stuff of yours is gonna give us errors if I run it right now. Let me try to run it. Shall probably get errors, bro. Let me try to run in my G. How comes we don't have errors? How? No, 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 no. If this is the map, right? Yeah, that's the map. That's the set actually. Then we first iterate through the entire array once, and then we check if the map has the complement, right, which is the number Yeah, which is the array. I mean, the is it the number that's missing? That's the complement that's not there in the set. Target minus nums I. All right, then return. Let me just put it like this so I can read it better. And bro, you're using so many shortcuts, bro. You're confusing a beginner, bro. All right, let's see. What is that? I think that should be it, right? Like this, or else. Let me try to make it readable so I can understand what you're doing, Brusky. You get for a slow learner like me. Yep, we need something like that. All right. I think this is now clear. So if m has target minus nums, return. Wait, we're again returning m dot get. So we have to get the complement and then add I to it. But this I, hold on. Oh, the I is the one we're incrementing. So it's just it is the iterable. Okay, that's the correct way to say it though. Hey, what happened to writing Java, man? Yo, bro, you won't believe if I tell you, bro. Java stressed the shit out of me, bro. Java stressed the shit out of me. I can't even like keep up with it. I can't keep up with it, bro. So yeah, hopefully I'll get back to it, but not anytime soon. Not anytime soon, my G. Yeah, big slip. Should I just submit it? I'm just gonna have to submit it, bro, because I already know the solution. It's the hash map approach. Yeah, this is the hash map? I think this is like a set, right? Because I doubt if JavaScript has hash map. I think it has only set. I don't know. I don't know. I see you writing go, and I wonder this guy ran away. You don't want to get hired? No, no, no. I wasn't writing go. That was just a simple trial, actually. I was just listening to some podcast, and somebody was telling me that Go is super fast and it's super lightweight as well. So I said, why can't I jump on the hype train? I just tried to run a loop and it was super fast indeed. So I'm like, okay, that's crazy, but I'm not gonna be writing that because Go code is just so entertaining. Let me show you. Hold on. I think it's here. I was just doing some research on my own, so something like this, right? It's like it's super cool, but it's super simple, but it's like okay. I don't know if it's my thing, bro. So I think it's like funk something main and then something like that. Then you can create whatever you want here. And to print out, you need that FMMT something that is format, I guess. Print line. Hey, this print line, I don't know where I saw this print line. I think it's in Python, right? Yeah, something like that. Then you print line hello world. Yeah, I was super happy, bro, when I did this. You feel me? Then you come here and I think you run it with Control N. Is that it? Compiles it and then it runs it. Yeah, Go is why. What did he say? So this is basically the hash map approach under the hood. JS map is optimized like a hash table. Oh, okay, okay. Ansh, go. What did you say? Go, damn. No, no, no. I'm not doing Go, bro. Yeah, I'm not doing Go. Somebody said Go is weird unless someone pays me to learn. Print line is in Java, dumbass. What? Print? No, bro. Java has something like this. I think yes, Java has sort, which is system dot out dot print line. Oh yeah, that is. I don't know. I'm confused. So yeah, you see, bro. Here's how you like. Let's say you need to create a variable. Like let's just say anything like car. Then you just say is equals to. You can say Mercedes, something like that. You can see like this car is declared but it's never used, so it's already like a variable car string. So rather than you just coming here to say variable car and then you say it's a string, it's already like this little dot thing just infers it automatically. That's crazy. I like that though, but I like the syntax, but I'm not gonna lie. I feel like these companies, I mean, these other languages should just start using something like this. C plus plus. What are you coding? Let's code something fun. I actually have something fun that I want to show you guys, bro. You guys will be impressed. Let me go. It's called audio processing. So first of all, let me go and show you guys the progress that we have so far. Let me show you the progress that we have so far. The entire application is almost done. Like the front end is 90% done. We're left with the back end, then just hook it up and call it a day. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to cd into the front end. I think we're using npm for the front end. Okay, npm run dev. Let's go cd backend. Then I think we're running burn dev on the backend. Yep, and I need to run my container. Let's give it a second. Docker container. Yeah, what are you guys building and what do you guys want us to build? You know, like, bro, I want to start doing freelancing as well. So yeah, to get some money. So yeah, I think like freelancing jobs don't really require a lot of complex stuff, except some though. But mostly they are not that complex. But hold on, for some reason I'm not seeing my. I think my face is cut off. Okay, hold on. And you guys shouldn't ask me why this side is literally blank. Okay, I mean this side is darker. This side of my face is darker than this side. Yeah, it's for a reason. It's because the light is this side. Okay. All right. Let's see. Docker cd backend. Hey Filthy, let me ask you. You need a phone to start streaming? I don't have a phone, and I really need to start streaming too. You don't really need a phone, bro. Like you don't need a phone. As you can see, I don't even have my phone right now. You know why, bro? Because I lost my phone. Like, I swear to God, I lost my phone, boys. I'm just using my other laptop to just read the chat from this side. I lost my phone in a stupid way, bro. That's crazy. Yeah. Let's Docker. You don't need a phone to start streaming. You just need your computer. That's all. Up in detach mode. Um, I understand how light works. Bro, I have a finished project in Next.js. So can you review it? Then I'll share the deployment link. Yeah. Share the deployment link on Discord. Just send it on Discord. I'm gonna look at it. All right, just send it on Discord, my G. Are you guys hearing me clearly? Let me hope so, bro. Yeah, let's build keyboard prong like that writes the code that randomly replaces type letters with emojis. Which technology is that? Which tech is that? Oh, thank you guys for joining the Discord, Brusky. Hey, send your stuff on Discord. Go to like I think you can come to the portfolios. Yeah, drop it here. Drop it here. Drop it here. Okay, I'll see it. Just drop it here. Yes, sir. So let's go. Let me show you guys the progress of the entire application so far. Do you need a microphone or are you using the one for your PC? Now, that one, it depends on you. I feel like you can go with the one for the PC, but it's like if you need more customization, you will have to just get an external mic. I have a simple external mic here. I don't know if you can see. Let me just show you. I have a very simple external mic here. It's just too simple for life. It just gets the job done. It gets the job done, really, bro. It's cool for you to build your platform. It's more like you can always invest. You get right now. If we start making some good money, obviously we're gonna revamp everything, and we're gonna leave this rat race. Okay, we're gonna revamp everything. So don't worry. You can always upgrade. Just start with what you have. Do you need? I think I answered that. HTML, CSS, web page, and JS to capture modified typing. Oh, that's a cool one though. That's a cool project for sure. We shall have to look at it, right? All right, let me log out so I can show you guys like the workflow. Okay, so when the users just land on this page, they're introduced to this website, and after that they just click login. Now notice if they don't log in, they can easily view what we have on our website, right? The entire website is cool. It's almost done. Like I said, 90% done. I just have to hook this up with like a payment provider. That's all. And yeah, we can come here and say upload a beat. If I click this, you'll see you need to log in to upload a beat. But you can click see demo, and then we shall just redirect them to a page where they can view the demo. Mm, where the users can view the demo. I think that makes sense. And now let's click boom, log in. So I can show you guys what's on there. Okay, let's just log in with anything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so users can now upload your beat to YouTube. So let's go ahead and select any beat. As you can see, I mean, any picture. I always choose this picture to demo because I like that picture. All right, so as you can see, we have that in place. Now we just have to just go ahead and say future type beat, and I always use this thing. I always use this mask off. Oh my god. Yo, shit. Yo. What? How do you guys learn how to type? Oh. I need a coach, bro. I need a coach. Somebody should teach me, bro. Okay. Let's see. Let's say buy my beat. Buy my beat. You brought. You brought. Alright, that's it. Then we can just say hip hop. Yeah, man, I'm so trash, bro. Like you guys, I don't know how you guys just withstand seeing me type slowly like this. It's so crazy. Okay, drop. Then boom, we're done with that. As you can see, we have this beat, right? Okay, now let's go to the fun part now. Let me show you guys inside here. This is now, let me teach you, man. I'm currently at 40 words per minute without looking at the keyboard. Wow. Nah, I'm proud of you, bro. Okay, so as you guys can see, you guys might see a lot of writing here and think this is done by AI. No, this is me. I did this by myself. All right, this is pure Node.js. There's no external thing here. This is just Node.js. So I'll show you guys what's happening. Okay, as you can see, we have the beat here. All right, we have the beat here. Yeah, no AI, bro. Like that's how I find peace in the, like I know most people they find like when you've properly documented your code, like, oh, should you use an AI? No, you just slow. Yeah, so this is the beat, right? All right, now that beat, and then this is the image, right? I just renamed it to feature JPEG. Now, if you come here and see what's happening, let me make you guys understand the code. So first, we have to create this promise stuff here. So it takes this promise, and then we get these cons. This is just for like the file directory. Okay, so this is just for the file path. And after that, we have parameters like string, image, path, and we have also audio path, and then we have the output directory, and then we have a promise, which we return a promise as a string. Now this is just for me to understand what is happening. It's not necessary here, but yeah, the entire code is here. So what happens is we take a beat, which is this beat here, mp3 file, and then we take an image, which is just a still image like this JPEG. What happens is we just have we store it as a variable in the image path for the image, and then the audio path for the audio itself. Now we come and resolve the absolute path to spaces, like just to reduce these spaces. If you come here, you'll find like there's feature dash, there's just like a normal the way we type. Yeah, bro, the FM, yeah, FFmpeg. That's the actual thing. Yeah, that's the actual thing. So this one creates just like what the computer can read as the spaces and all that stuff. Then after that, we validate the files. Now we need to check now, does this resolved image exist? If this resolved image doesn't exist and the resolved audio doesn't exist, okay, that's why we need this like exist sync and make directory sync. This is just to make directory, this from the file system. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and see now. Unique output file name. We need to just create an output file name, we take the video itself, and then we give it date.now, just the current date, just add any date string to it, and then end with .mp3 mp4 as for the output file, because we need a video out of it. And then after that, we come and say const output path join the resolved output directory, which is here, the resolved output directory, right? Take it and then join them with the output file name. All right, that's what happens. Now, after that, we just come here. Like this FFmpeg thing is super simple. Bro, no AI. I promise you, bro. I'll put that on everything. No AI. I know you see this here, this little thing, and you're thinking is AI. No, that is me, bro. And this is the reason why I made this stuff, so I can show you guys that some people will see things like this and assume, oh, this is no. Just because I put this, you can actually add any emoji of your choice. Okay, you can come here and add any emoji. Like, let's just change it to like I think it's box. I mean, yeah, I always forget their names, but yeah, you can just come here and just add anything, and then somebody will see this, say, oh, this is AI. No. Yeah. No, bro. It's me that added it. I can't lie to you, bro. All right, now come and see this. This ffmpeg, right, is what we are using as the command itself. Then, I mean, the command is here. ffmpeg cmd, that's the command. Then we come and loop. As you see this one here, it means it's looping the image once. If you come here to like what happens, let's go to YouTube. Somebody said I'm coded. 1080p is crazy. Somebody said we don't AI. Oh my god, bro. You guys are funny as hell. Ah. Yo, bro, Harish is good. Harish is good, man. Somebody said we know AI, bro. It's crazy one. All right, let's go. Let's just say feature type beat. I will show you guys what's going on, okay? For the FFmpeg is AI, of course. Of course. Of course, bro. God damn, but I understand it though. You get, I understand it. This is between us, bro. You get it. Don't be evil, bro. Anyways, you guys see we have FFmpeg, then just loop once, and then get this should be the frame rate. The frame rate. Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry, I can't even speak, bro. I'm sorry. All right. Okay, so as you can see, we loop once, right? We loop once. I always use the image as a looping still image. All right, you guys get the point. And then use this frame rate, just like it's a low frame rate for the static image. All right, and the reason is it just runs with like 2 FPS. Yeah, you know most games people like what 24 FPS. People like 90 FPS, something like that. Yo, Jean Vic was good. Um, who's this guy? Okay, it's okay, it's okay. I can't even read your name. So after that, take the resolved image and then take the resolved audio, and then now use this H264. I think most of this audio stuff they have something about H264. Let me show you. Even here these guys have it. I think, yeah, I think I saw it somewhere in the output. Yeah, is here H264. Yeah, H264 is just the video codec, right? So this is the video codec. You understand? The video codec is this library X264. And then the preset is very fast. If we say very slow, that means it's going to take time and put in granular, like the actual details that are on the actual video itself, and it will be slow, but at the same time, the quality will be high. But guess what? We just need a still image, so we just make it very fast. After that, we tune the image now. Tune the still image and then use this pixel format of UV4 42220. Yep. You guys get it, man. You guys get it. You guys get it. After that, we don't even do anything to the audio. We just copy the audio itself. That means the original audio. Don't change anything on it. Okay. Just copy the original audio to the image. That's what this means. Okay. Just copy that. And after that, we need the shortest. If we don't add the shortest, that means the video will just be infinite. It will just be looping in some infinite, and it will just like, I think it will just crash my computer because the file will be big. So we just add shortest to make it short. Okay, now that is it, bro. After that, we just have a try catch saying console log. We have the running command. After that, await the execute for promise, which is this one. We execute now the command, and then boom, video is created. Now let me show you. Let me show you how it's going to run everything. Okay, it's going to grab whatever audio that we have here, which is this and the image, and it's going to combine them into a video. And that's all that we need, bro. That's all you need to know. Okay. I think we just need to say node, node index.js, boom. Video created in a second, my G. As you can see, video created at here in the output, bam, we have a video. And we can even play it. You see that? Yo, that is nuts, bro. That is crazy work, bro. You feel me? So that's the same thing that we are just going to attach to our stuff, and is Node Money handles autosaves. You don't need autosave for things like this. This like you don't need to save anything here. We are not doing any web development here. You get it? Yeah. We don't need Node Money here. It's just to run the command once, and if I run it twice again, it will just execute this video twice. And we can actually automate this for like 2000 bits at the same time, as long as they have their own image and their beat. That is it. You have that done in a second. What about Cardi? Yeah, I'm a big Cardi fan, bro. Only feature. No, I'm a big feature fan, but I like Cardi as well. But he just likes some vampire stuff. I don't like that part of like vampire bullshit. Alright, so as you guys can see, bro, we have 90% of the application done. The only thing is to just create the API for it, and then just like attach this entire thing as a background job. We're going to use something called ingest. I don't know if you guys heard of it. We're going to use this ingest to just take this form that is supplied to us by the user, push this, and here's the thing though, this one is just going direct to YouTube. But as we drag and drop this image and this audio, they are going to get sent straight into the backend, and then the backend will handle the background job and stuff with ingest, handle the the FFmpeg thing. After that, it will return to us an event that, oh, hey, I'm done with this. Okay, I'm done with my part. Then it's up to us now, the backend, to now sign a pre-signed URL for that. I mean, for the upload, and then boom, that is it. The next thing is to just handle the YouTube upload, and all of this just happen in a blink of an eye. You don't even have to waste time. So that is in my G. That is the actual thing. Nice mini project, bro. Nice. Yeah, bro. It's actually cool though. It's actually very, very dope. It's too good, bro. And I'm going to use it though because I'm a music producer, so I'll need to actually be uploading my beats. So yeah, I'm going to need it. Now, as you can see, bro, this is a hobby project. It's $0 per month. You need 50,000 executions. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. So yeah, that is it. Let's see. I think that is it for the main project. I was showcasing. Someone give me a project idea for a beginner. There's no room for beginners, bro. Somebody say, did you say your stuff? Did you guys send your stuff? I'm not seeing it. Oh, you sent it in direct message. I think this is Rohan. Wait, pending. Okay, this is Rohan that sent the DM. All right, let me check your project out. So, what tech stack are you on? Are you up to? Um, Tech stack. I don't know. Let me hold on. LinkedIn. Let me show you guys what happened today on LinkedIn, bro. Something interesting. I love you, even. I love how you explain it. Shows you understand it. Yeah, bro. I understand it. Yo, why am I having crazy messages on LinkedIn? What's going on? Yo, do we have a job, boys? Why don't you make it a multiple? Yeah. I'm going to make this application insane. Just wait and see. I have a lot of producer friends asking me for this application, bro. You won't even believe it. So what's going on the reason why I'm on LinkedIn? I want to show you guys something. I had uploaded it on LinkedIn today, and it just caught some traction, and I was like, yo, what the hell? See, I uploaded it today, just I think 6 hours ago. I uploaded a demo, and boom, this is like My highest post, bro, 137 impressions. That's super cool. I can't lie to you. Yeah, so that is it. I'll check it out afterwards. Oh, my boy created the Skills In, your personal AI guide for professional success. I like this though. I like this. I like this. Um, I'll research the skills required. If I like something, I'll work on it. Okay. Speaking of multiple uploads, somebody asked me for the what for the tech stack. So actually, on the front end, we are using Next.js. So for the front end, we are using Next.js with TypeScript and Tailwind CSS. Then what else? I think yeah, I'm using Better Auth for authentication. Google Auth, that is, I think is OAuth, right? Given by Better Auth, and on the back end is just Express with, I mean, Node Express, and then yeah, background jobs with Ingest, and then what else? What else? Oh God, background jobs with Ingest, and then Dockerize PostgreSQL, because we are also going to need FFmpeg inside Docker. Matter of fact, let me check if it's there on Docker. Let's go to Docker, Docker Hub. All right, Docker Hub. Then let's check if they have FFmpeg. I think they do have FFmpeg, right? Yeah, they do have FFmpeg. So we shall have to get any of these ones. We have to pull that image and then use it in our project. Hey, dude, check my portfolio. I tried Dark Souls Team for it. Dark Souls Team? Where did you drop your portfolio? Where is it at? I'm still checking on my boy Rohan's portfolio. I'll check it out. Where's your stuff? Did you drop it on Discord? I'm not seeing it, my G. All right, send it on Discord. Let me check it out. I think I'm still reviewing my brother's stuff here. So yeah. You're not on Discord. The Discord link is up right there. I don't know if you're not seeing it. It's up there. It's linked up there. Check it out. Yeah, boys, man, I lost my phone, bro. That's why I can't even read your chat just close to me. You're gonna have to look on my other laptop. It's literally down. Like it's down. Okay, your personal AI guide for professional success. AI career coach, smart insights. What is this? Resume help, interview prep, all in one. Oh, for real? Oh, this is crazy though. Let me get started. But why is your button blending in with the background? Because now it doesn't even look like a button. Plus, this image is super unprofessional, bro. What in the AI project is this? Bro, look at the inconsistency in padding, bro. What the hell is this? You got like a big ass space on the left. Nothing is centered here, bro. This is wild, bro. This is wild west. I like the theme though, boy. Like, bro, ready to accelerate your career. This is like some big ass footer. You gotta check out your footer. This is big for nothing. You have like a necessary space. Okay, I like the frequently asked questions though. What makes this unique? Okay, let's see. Combines AI powered career tools. Oh, this is another AI rapper, huh? This is cool though. It's not bad. How does Skills and create tailored content? Skills and learns about your industry experience and skills during onboarding. It then uses this information to generate customized resume, cover letters, and interview questions. This is cool though, but I just don't like the inconsistency, bro. Yo, what's good, man? Backend. Oh, the backend is almost ready. Good news. Good news, boys. The backend is almost ready. Um, the name on the Discord. Check the pin, bro. Check the pin comment up there. What's that logo, bro? Which logo? What I don't know. This is not my. This is. I'm just reviewing somebody's stuff. This is so. This guy. This guy has some weird stuff like this. Some low resolution stuff. Some low res logo. And then he got like. You see the way the image is tilted. Some crazy 3D stuff. Bro, this guy is so funny, bro. A big ass logo for real, bro. Yeah, droid. Did you see like the FFmpeg that I showed you. I think I sent you. I don't know if you checked it out. Yeah, it's so much to improve, bro. For the Discord, somebody said DM. I don't know. I don't know what he's talking about. I'm not seeing his stuff here. Oh yeah, you just joined. You just joined, I think. Yeah, you saw the FFmpeg thing, right? Just the demo is crazy. The demo is crazy. So haven't looked fully though. Yeah, for sure. All right, I think I can just show you a quick demo. I was just explaining it to my brothers here. So let me just go ahead and delete this video real quick. As you can see, we have the beat here, and then we have the image. So if you read through the entire code that I sent you, you'll understand what it does. You get it. All the main point is just here. The main command is here. What is driving the entire application is here. Where you just loop through with the given frame rate, you get the resolved image, you get the resolved audio, then you choose the codec and then the preset, then you fine tune the image, which is the video, then you just get the pixel format and then you just copy the audio. This is where the audio just comes in place. You just copy the audio and then add it to the image. It's almost like editing, right? You have the image and then you have the audio. Then you just put the shortest width and then yeah, you give the output path. This output path is what we shall create a new directory for. Okay, so if I just go right now and then run this application with node index.js, which is the main application, if I run it, you'll see we have created a new output stuff and then we have a video with the image. So we've just created a video in a second, right? It's crazy. It's crazy work. So yeah, you from there we shall just have to, let Ingest handle it in the background, right? Whatever the images that we receive from the user, we just process them through that command. Then after that, we just send it back to the user, and then the user will just click the post thing to just direct it to YouTube. That's it. It's what on the portfolio side. Let's go to the portfolios. Okay. What is 2005, bro? You were born in 2005. Wait a minute. How old are you right now? How old are you now? Oh my god, I like this gamified thing. Is it this one? I don't play Dark Souls though. I be hearing people talking about Dark Souls. I don't play it, but let me see. What's the name of this stuff? Oh my god. Okay, this is a calculator. Boy, it's 2005. It's crazy. See, 2025 minus 2005. Bro, you 20 years old, bro. Crazy. I had to calculate that. Ooh, yo, you created this, bro. Nah, bro, you gotta make for me a portfolio, bro. This is nuts. Wait, I can turn it off, right? Oh, that's cool. Because some people don't like noise like this. But this is a cool thing. Except, I don't know why, for some reason, this feels like it's low resolution. I don't know, but how did you make the mouse like this, bro? How did you make the cursor like this, though? No way, bro. This is nuts, bro. What's going on here? About the player. Greetings. I am Ayush, a devoted craftsman in the realm of software development. My journey through the digital landscapes has forged me into a versatile developer. From the moment I first touched code, a spark ignited. I know this is AI. This hyphen here is AI. A relentless pursuit of creation, of crafting worlds from nothingness. A developer by passion and all this. I don't know, bro. This is so crazy portfolio. I don't know. It just looks so cool, bro. Let's check about. Yo, this is scary. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. This is super cool, bro. I'm impressed, man. I'm super impressed, bro. Look, bro, I'm hiring you right now. Right now, bro. Here's the thing, bro. Come and sign this contract, bro. Come and sign your life away to this. Come and sign your life away, bro. I'm hiring you right now. Guys, crazy talented, man. That's super cool. Let's see. Java. Wait. So you have the most skills in Java? What's going on here? Logic 94, creativity 97, problem solving 91. Okay. Bro, you know C, bro. Oh my, bro, this dude. Yo, bro, this is the best portfolio I've ever seen so far, bro. Let me turn this off now. I understand it's giving me a little bit of some headache, you know what I'm saying? It is still in progress. Still in progress. What do you mean these are all still in progress, bro? Let's check projects. Oh, why is everything still in progress, bro? You're still working on the application. Credits. Wait, who are you giving the credits to? The website is a personal project created for learning purposes with no intent for profit. All images, effects, and assets belong to their rightful owners and have fully support official releases. If you wish to peer into the source code, you may find it on GitHub. Oh, wait a minute. The source code is there on your GitHub. That is cool. Deliver your message. All right. Yo, what the hell? Yeah, no. This is super cool, bro. Can I check the GitHub? Wow, nah, bro, this is super cool, man. Okay, your certificate. Okay, you don't have any certificate. Cool. Let me check. Oh, you have Flappy Bird. Oh, you're a game developer, huh? Flappy Bird in Java. This is the portfolio. Simple calculator. Why do you have your calculator still on GitHub, bro? And why are your contributions only 23? Because most of your, I don't know, are your things all like yeah, for some reason I feel like you just started this, right? YouTube. Wait, what do you mean YouTube? A free premium web? Brave browser. Oh, you created a browser. Man, this is cool, bro. This is cool, man. I'm super impressed, my brother. I'm super impressed. These portfolios are good for creativity, but HR won't give you. Yeah. For real. HR, those people don't really care about your creativity. They just want to see HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That's it. If you go to my GitHub, bro, I have the worst portfolio ever. But bro, there's this portfolio here called Chandao. I'm still rookie right now. And see the magic. What are you saying? See the magic. What is that? In general? Okay, let me go and see the magic. Let me see the magic, bro. Hey. My expectations are high, bro. Yeesh. Plus equals plus minus. Why is it taking long to load, bro? That's a problem with these websites. Yo. That's it. Man, I'm going, bro. I'm going away. I don't want to stream no more, man. Yeah. Bro. What? Yo, what is that? What did I just see? What the? What is this? What the fuck? Yo, what's going on? How do you, no wonder it was taking long to load. Jesus Christ, look at the, is this trigonometry? There's like mathematics and I'm seeing angles. Bro, I just feel like I'm inside this application. Hold on, let me. Yo, these guys have set the bar so high, bro. These guys have set the bar so high that I can't even compete, bruh. I can't, bro. I swear to God, anybody that sees this will hire you. I don't give a fuck who thinks this is not good. If you say this is not good, you're slow, bro. God damn. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Okay, our mission is to create the largest on-chain community drive the customer. What's going on here? This is a game developer, right? What is? I don't even know. How is this a 3D model, bruh? Like, how do you even do this? Let's start from there. I will scroll, bro, but I'm still like, oh my Jesus Christ. Yo. Yo. Boy. Yo. Wait, what is this? Yo, how do I pass this one? Yo. No. This is not real. This there's no human being that did this. I know, bro. I know this is not real. Like, I fail to believe this is real. Oh my God. Where do you even get the thought of doing something like this? Whoa. Portfolio abstract. Wait a minute, when you click, it takes you inside. Holy. I don't know. I don't even know. I'll go, bro. Yo, there's some people that literally just sit down. They just sit down and just create portfolios all day. They don't care. Like, they just create portfolios. Jesus Christ. Yo. And I'm thinking I've done something great, right, with my portfolio. Wait, I'm going inside this stuff. Yo, how much memory is this stuff consuming, bro? Because I feel like this is great and all that, but this sounds like it's a lot of memory, bro. Anime.js? I don't even know. The developer is a demon. Because how do you even notice how this is like a figure? This is a literal figure. This is for LinkedIn. Let me check their LinkedIn first of all. Woo. Yo. Oh, this is the dude. Igloo Inc. Our mission to onboard the next generation. Yeah, bro. This guy is crazy. No wonder he has this much traction, bro. Yeah. Where's his GitHub? Where's the GitHub? Okay, this is his website, right? It's the one I just checked right now. Okay. Wait. Whoa. See the code? Where's the code? I cannot see the code. You mean here? I can right click or left click on this screen. It's disabled, bruh. .3js images and it changes the images in a full speed when we scroll. Okay, let me see. Then we come back. Oh, it's like a loop. We come back where we started. We can go back here. Where's the code? I think I saw it somewhere. Bro, some people are not humans, bro. Okay, Illusion Labs. Party penguins. Oh, this is what they used. Okay. Oh, now I see. All right, let me go check out what Illusion Labs are you talking about, my G. Wow, I'm impressed, man. Thank you for sending us this, bro. What's that? My boy said the website. What's the name of the website? Illusion? What did my boy say? Illusion Labs. Story kind of website. Yeah. Illusion Labs. Okay. Let's check it out. Yeah, great design. That's if you're focusing on design though. But if you're a software engineer, you don't need this too much. This is more for like designers. Ooh, this reflection, this is crazy. You know, when I heard that Apple was developing something about liquid glass, I thought they were gonna have something like this. Wow, look at the water here, bro. Ooh. Bro, how do these people how do they do these things like this though? Do you just sit down and say, okay, today I'm going to create something crazy? What's going on here? Bro, these websites are massive, bro. View live? Alright, let me see. Let me see what's gonna happen. Loading. Oh, this one starts off with like Is this DNA? Is this DNA? Open. Yo, what should I do here now? Boys. Hold to see protein. Wait, what is this supposed to do? I don't know what this is supposed to do. I'm lost here. All right, let's see what my boy is saying. You sent something on Discord? What did he send? What did he send on Discord? Oh, this is Anime.js. What is there? I trust Anime.js. Let me just open it. Mine was a full stack project. Yo, Rohan, send the one you're talking about. Let me see. All-in-one animation engine, a fast and versatile JavaScript library to animate SVG. Oh, so this is to animate the SVGs. Yo, what? What the fuck? Yo, it got the code even here. Wait, I'm seeing code here, bro. Draw 0. Can I touch this? Scroll behavior. Oh, I think these are the links, right? Yeah, let me check the links. Okay. It's a library for animations, but for me, website is cool for me. Which website is cool for you? Which website is cool for you? bruh. Listen. Thank you for that. Let me see what we are going to code out today. Okay, we are not just gonna look at portfolios the entire day. But those people are crazy developers and designers, bro. You gotta give them their props. Those are the people that will not be replaced by AI, bro. Wait a minute. Can Grok create something like that? Let me say create a 3D model of a dark skinned man, tall man, tall bushman. Let's see. Confirm your age, bro. I'm above. I'm old enough. Yeah, this is not a 3D model. What the hell? This is like a picture or something. The fuck is this? What the hell is this? What the fuck? AI can just create anything, bro. I said, who's this? Who's this man? This guy looks chopped. Grok is just so dull, man. Like, I said, create a 3D model, man. I don't know. 3D model is just sitting there a big ass man who got some boobs. This got a lot of veins and some forest. I don't know if there's a human that looks like this though, because this AI they just be creating anything these days. I mean, a 3D model for Blender. Let me see. Let it think harder. Apologies for misunderstanding. Okay. Wait, you guys don't use Grok? Yeah. So we have a reference gathering for detailed tutorial. You might. What? Yan me. The picture. Bro, this AI, they just be so slow sometimes. Alright, let me see. Wrap it up, bro. I said a man, bro. Look, it's giving me a woman. It's giving me the same exact man, but this time it looks like he's mugged. It looks like he's strong. And he's not washed like this guy. Alright, man. That's it with Grog, right? It is what it is, my boys. Yeah. It's crazy. So, what projects are you guys building, bro? I need to know. I need to know what projects you guys are cooking. Did somebody send me something else? Send me the good one. Boy said that was a landing page, huh? Let me check. Let me see what's going on. Just give it a sec. So I'm thinking, since my brother is working on the back end, right? Where is he? I think he's working on the back end. Filthy Wave back end. Yeah, since he's working on the back end, I'm going to have to like let me see here. I think he created a new branch. Branch beat piston. Yeah, implement auth schema. Added beat upload. I think that is cool. Oh, he didn't create any new stuff. Yeah, he didn't create any new stuff, but that's cool though, because I'm done with my front end work and everything, so the rest is on him now. I'm going to be waiting for him. Let's get it. Yo, Chronicle of Ages was good, brother. Was good, man. Bro, you know what's funny, bro? I started Upwork. Let me open Upwork. I started doing some stuff on Upwork, bro. And let me see. Do I have a new message? No. Nobody has reached out to me. I think I applied for one job. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. But yeah, let's see what's going on. Junior web developer, static site rebuilds. Romania. Oh, this is actually cool, but 50 plus proposals, bro. In less than an hour. People are so competitive, bro. See how many connects I have, boys? I got like a lot of connects, bro. 248 connects. It's crazy work, right? This is some crazy. This person spent 2 million, bro, on Upwork, bro. What in the hell is this? How do you spend this much, bro? 2 fucking million. Did you also do front end? It looks, yeah, I did the front end. The front end looks super cool, right? I just like the light mode. The light mode looks super enticing. I like the light mode. Yeah, I did the front end and stuff. So I'm still waiting for my co-founder, my brother, to finish working on the back end. Now, I doubt even if it's like his is gonna take long. I think he's kind of busy, but once he frees his time, he's gonna work on it, and we're gonna put it together, and that's it. The project is done. Then we can go ahead and build other things. Let me see. I want to take this for a minute. Chronic of Ages. So I think this project now should be done. I don't know what else we're left with, but it should be done. So let me check the source code first so I can understand what we are left with. Bucket, Bunlock. Oh, I had actually added. Let me go back here. I had added FFmpeg, but we're not gonna need it. We're not gonna need this FFmpeg, so let me just discard this. Let me discard all of them. Cool. Can go back here. Chronic of Ages. What are you working on, bruh? I'm thinking about doing some lead code questions. Or maybe getting my skills right before going to dive into lead code. I don't know. Today is even going to be kind of a short stream. The reason being, I have a visitor coming, so yeah, I'll have to prepare myself now. I just wanted to stream so that to remind you guys that hey, I'm still here. I did not get lost. Right, let me see. Yo, Mohit, what's up, bro? How are you doing? Let me go here. Oh my god. Let's say what is it? What else? What else? What else? What else? What the fuck is that? I'm working on my project as well. Giving it a couple of weeks. Yeah, bro. It's high time we started applying for jobs, man. I'm thinking day 90 will be the last like for this stuff. I don't know. I'm thinking about ending this series on day 90 so that I can just now focus on job interviews. So we shall probably I think even coding every day can even make more sense for how do I call it? For lead code, right? What do you think? Let's see, ls cd. Wow, we have a lot of stuff here. Does your project can fully be made by frontend? I mean, no backend, only frontend? No. It cannot work with only just frontend because we need to communicate with a lot of services. You know, the front end is done. I can even actually host the front end. I can host the front end on like Vercel, and then the front end will be ready. Then I can just, yeah, I can just attach the back end to it. But I want to first get them all done so I can just go live at once. So let me see what else. CD inside filthy wave, and then let's check. Oh my god. Okay, CD backend. Okay, Docker compose up down. Cool. Hmm. I don't know what else I have to build. I'm thinking about like, cause I'm done with my part for the front end. Now it's kind of boring. I don't know what else to do. Let me check my calendar. My calendar is well specced out. When today is 19th. Wait a minute. I thought I had this going on. Wait, I thought I had this going on. Let me say copy this event, paste event today. Yep. Paste it here as well. Copy this and then I think I should yep, 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 yep. Yeah, bro, no days off, bro. For how long have you been working on a project? Last time I remember you were working on e-commerce project. Yeah, this project is just like maybe 4 days now. Yeah, something like that. It's like 4 days. Yeah, you write about the e-commerce website. I haven't finished them, bro. I'm so lazy. For some reason, I don't finish projects, bro. I don't know what's going on with me. Yup. Also, even on Labor Day, we're working, bro. All right, I think this should be okay now. So here's the thing. This how I block out my time. Let me just click on. Can I click on per week? Or can I click on per day? So this was happening. Yeah, I start coding like this, streaming every day until we get a job. So coding and streaming. We started. We're actually supposed to start at 1 p.m. I started earlier, but yeah, I started earlier because I have something to do. That's why. Think you should deploy your project on domain, not on Vercel, in my opinion. You can deploy it on Vercel and give it your custom domain. So, boys, I found out this new thing called Dodo Payments. Bro. These guys, they seem legit, man. They seem totally legit. Yeah, bro. You guys should check them out, bro. You guys should check them out. Let me see. Dodo Payment, comprehensive solution for managing all aspects of global payment processing. You guys should check them out. You can even let me see countries for payment acceptance. Wait, check your country. If your country is here, go ahead and use this. Let me see Rwanda. Oh yeah, Rwanda's there. Good. Pricing and fee structure. So US customers, you get this. Oh, so this is plus 1.5 for international customers outside US. For subscriptions. Now, for a customer from Spain buying a product worth $50, find a detailed pricing breakdown. I should use Hostinger and GoDaddy. Yeah, they are cool. Those two are cool. I can even actually use my own VPS. Is it virtual private server? Yeah. I'm even thinking about buying a VPS so I can host my stuff. Use Hostinger? I don't know. I don't know about Hostinger, bruh. So you get this. That's it. Yo, it's crazy. So you only lose $4. Okay, the tax, right? The product, 20% tax. What? Now for Indian merchants. N8BM. What is N8BM? It's N8B. Wait, N8. Oh, it's N8AN. Is this it? What is that? AI workflow automation for technical teams built with precise code or speed, drag and drop. Oh, I've never come across this. This is for automations. Oh, this is nuts, bro. So you can automate anything: Postgres, chat, memory, Anthropic, chat model, Microsoft Entra ID, Jira. So, yo, that means you can automate everything. That's crazy. It's about AI. Oh, it's AI agents. I don't know really. I'm not a big fan of AI stuff. That's the problem with me. I'm not a big AI fan. But this looks cool to me though. So is their pricing? Yo, starter is $20 straight. $20. How about professional? You gotta contact them for enterprise. Okay. It's actually cool though, but I don't know. I'm not a big fan of AI agents and stuff. That's not my field of interest. Let me see. Yeah, you guys should use this application, bro. Same, bro. Yeah, for real. I prefer just building projects than doing AI stuff. I don't know. I mean, just like regular projects without any AI thing. Wait, let me see what's going on here. Oh my god, I'm yawning so crazy, bro. You know what, bro? I ate too much today. Like I ate a lot. I can't lie to you guys. Mm. I just wanted to ask you guys a question, right? What do you guys want us to do, bro? Because it's kind of like if I don't build anything from any minute from now, I might end up becoming. I might just slip. Going on? No, 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 no. No, I'm still here, bro. I'm just thinking of what to build. I have a lot of things to build, but I don't know which one to tackle first. So I have the backend for for Daddy Bucket to build, but up to now I haven't even touched it. Last time I checked, I was just on the front end. Let me check this. Let me CD. No, there's no any CD here. I think it's running with npm run dev. Okay. Yeah, I told you guys the other time on stream, I mean on Discord, that we gotta build out a big ass project. All of us. Like all of us, bro. We can build a crazy project. Let me go. We can build a crazy project that can benefit all of us. Yeah, boy. So yeah, you guys gotta contribute, bro. Yeah, I gotta contribute for sure. Have you watched a TV series called Silicon Valley? It's about building a startup, bro. It's fun. I recommend watching it if you have. No, I haven't, bro. I was actually watching. I was watching Yasuke. Is it Yasuke or Yasuke? Something like that. I was watching this Yasuke. Yasuke. It's an anime that is talking about this warrior here, 16th century African man who became a samurai in Japan, serving under Oda Nobunaga. Like Shatsian, okay? Yeah, this is what I'm watching. So, which one is that? Silicon Valley? I'm going to write it down in my notes. That's one of the things I'll have to watch. It's called Silicon Valley. Let me just say. Filthy progress. I'm almost done there. So, let's create a new project. Wait, I'm gonna call this movie movie/series bucket list. Okay. So these are the ones on my bucket list. Which one did you just say, bro? Silicon Valley. Silicon Valley. Alright, Silicon Valley. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch it. It's in my stuff. Didn't you watch Breaking Bad? No. What is Breaking Bad? Is it also about the? What is it about exactly? Did you guys check out this one? Yasuke. This is crazy anime. Y'all gotta check it out for sure. We gotta check the anime out. The anime. Okay, let's see. Beats. Let's go to beats. Beats look good. Yeah, you gotta check you, bro. You gotta check that Yasuke out. I'm actually going to watch it just after the stream. Yeah, I have a Vista coming over like in some hours time. I think hours or some. So I'll just after the stream I'll go prepare, bathe, and do stuff, and then arrange my things. After that, just turn on my stuff. I think you have. Wait, I think you have an idea about Kamatoze. What is Kamatoze? That name sounds so funny, bro. Kamatoze. What the? What is Kamatoze, bro? Is it? Yo, what the fuck, bro? What? Bro, what? Bro, why, bro? Why? Don't do that, bro. YouTube will get me banned, bro. You know how hard it is to grow a YouTube channel, bro? It's hard, man. So please don't do that. Don't do that to your brother, man. That's sad, bro. That's actually sad. All right, let's just go ahead and build a backend for this. Now, I need to research how to handle the backend for card system. How do I handle? Okay, why am I even typing when I can just talk? All right, so how do I approach building a card system for using Express, like for an e-commerce website? Let's talk just adding cart, adding items to cart, calculating the price, and then yeah, how do we handle that? Just give me step by step. Okay, something like that. Yeah, don't worry. Hey, Filthy, where can I watch Yasuke? On Netflix, bruh. Yo, I have another tip for you guys, bro. Let me put you guys on some. Let me hope there's no CEO watching me, right? Let me put you guys on something. There is a replica of Netflix called yeah, server under maintenance. Yeah, I think so. These are right. I don't know, but you should check it out. It's called Net Mirror. It's literally everything you have on Netflix is on there for free, dog. It's crazy. Yeah, you guys will have to check it out, bro. It's crazy work. Great question. Here's a practical step-by-step plan for building a card system in Express. Focus on creating a card. So we're going to create card, adding, removing items from cart, and calculating totals reliably. Decide where the card lives. Guest users store a card server side, keyed by a session. Redis or DB avoid storing the card in the cookie. Logged in users store the card record in your DB. Wait, what do you mean? We need guests as well. They can add to cart. I don't think guests should add to cart. That is just unnecessary work for us. We just need logged in users to just do all that. I feel like users can access our website. Yes, that's enough permission to users can access, and they shouldn't be able to add to cart unless they are logged in. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yep. Let's see. Let's look at that. I think I have an idea of how we are going to approach that. Let me look at button TSX. I just need to add a cursor pointer. I think that should be okay. Yeah, bro, don't do that, man. Don't be that terrible person, bro. You feel me? All right, so users shouldn't be able to add to cart if they're not logged in. What's up, player? What's up, dog? What's up, nephew? How are you doing? Have you tried to build a like Iron Man's Jarvis? What is Iron Man's Jarvis? What is Iron Man's Jarvis? Iron Man's Jarvis. What is that? What is Iron Man's Jarvis? First tell me. Hmm. Okay. Logged in users store the card record in your database keyed by user ID. Okay. Cool. Yep. Now, for the rest of this guide, we'll demo a session backed card, a session backed card. Memory for simplicity, the same shape works with Redis and or database. Data modeling, minimal but production ready shape. Okay, so we have the ID of the product. Here, the product can be bit for us, right? We can say the bit name, or the bit title, and the price. Then the currency is an enum, right? It's his AI assistant. Oh no, I've never thought about AI stuff. People hype AI so much. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of AI stuff. Active Boolean. Okay. Hmm. Um. Let's see. ID card, user ID. Oh, currency item, card item, and then coupon code. No, it's optional. Pricing snapshot. For diagnostic totals are always computer string totals. Love AI. Oh, it will take your job, mate. No. Why? Why will it take my job? AI is overhyped, bro. Okay, card item, we have the ID, we have the store ID as a string, we have the name, unit price. So that is it, right? We need to create 3 tables, I think 4, right? We need the product itself, and then the card item, then the totals. Now, one pricing function to rule them all. Never trust prices from the client. Centralized pricing. Base unit price times quantity per line. Sum to items. Wait, I'm confused. What? They sum up to items. If you multiply the unit price times the quantity per line, they should give us the sum to other items. And then the discounts or promos apply in deterministic order. Now, compute from taxable base, shipping from, like, that's a lot of work for us, bro. You know what I'm gonna do? Get cart. Okay, that's the API design. We get /cart returns cart with recomputed totals. Post cart item, then the body. It takes product ID and quantity. It's gonna take. Why? Why would AI users take jobs? This is to update the quantity, delete, remove the line, apply the coupon, reprice from live product data. Middleware flow, load session and cut, create if missing, validate input zone. Okay, so let's ask a simple question like this. Okay, this is like, what? This is a lot of work, bro, for just the cut system, bro. Somebody said these developers are replaced by AI already. Oh my god. Empty card. What are you guys on, bro? The AI hype is insane. The AI hype is so insane, bro. Oh my god. The way you guys hype AI, right, is insane. I swear to God. Y'all hype AI so much, bro. Uh, bro, for some reason, the card system looks way too bulky, bro. Can I just handle it on the front end, though? Can I just handle the card system from the front end? Cause that looks simpler to me. Okay, let me see what I can target. Creating the beat. I think I should handle creating the beat first. Okay, let's go ahead and build the backend for this. Yeah, let's go ahead and just handle the backend for that. I'm going to just, this is dirty bucket up. We need the dirty bucket front backend, I think. Something tells me I already created the backend some time back. I did, yes, but I just want to now make it more modular by creating something better. So we have a dirty bucket up, and then another dirty bucket, then another dirty bucket. It's like too much, bro. It's like too much going on right now. But this is what we have as the front end. I'm going to create something like that as well. Let me just take this, copy this statement, come here, paste this. I'm just gonna say backend. Yeah, that's a long ass name, but yeah, we're just gonna I think we're just gonna use it like that, bro. Let's go ahead and open this in the terminal. Or matter of fact, we can just open this in VS Code. All right, that is cool. Somebody said if you create boilerplate, then you'll be replaced by AI. Is that a good concept, bro? That sounds like a terrible concept to me. Creating boilerplate, there's nothing wrong with creating boilerplate, bro. Yeah, I have to try that, and also think about to add her in Instagram. Wait, what's that? What are you guys talking about? Have you tried AI vape? What? There's AI vape? Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know there's something like AI vape, bro. You guys are demons for that. NPM init y. Okay. I think I have already I think I already have a backend server that I just need to I think I already have a backend. I think I have a backend already. I don't even have to create anything from scratch. Let's go to my, oh shit, what's the name? Git. Let's go to my GitHub. AI to do it for me, but you should have you should understand it. AI can create what within minutes, bro. I think I have something here. Yep, I have the backend starter kit. Yep, this is the one. Just copy this and just replace this. Oh my god. So this is git clone, and then let me delete this. Oh my god. Git clone, drop this. Let's just clone that backend starter kit. Let me close this off for now. Inside here, we have backend starter kit. Good morning, boys. Let's go back here, go back to developer, go back to web page, go back to backend. All right, I'm just going to wait a minute. Copy this, then paste item. What did I do, bro? Okay. That should be out. It should be somewhere here. Paste item. Alright, then I need to just copy this and come to this backend starter kit. Replace this, and that should be it. I need to throw this under the bus. Yep. Yeah, boys. That should be enough. I think we've done a lot of work now. We just need to come back here and drop this. Cool. Now we have everything set up, except we need to just say we need to now just say npm init. No, npm install. So just going to install everything that we need. That should be cool. I'll go back here. Let me just play this. Let me say npm run dev. It's going to run with nodemon. That is cool. For some reason, it's running this localhost. Okay, I think it's running it inside. Wait, you should use AI. A few years ago, you would be paid to write boilerplate code. So what happened now? What happened now? Now you cannot get paid to write boilerplate. So let's see what else. I think we have most of the things. So since we don't have the port is running on 8080, let's go ahead and just close this source, and we'll drop this .env. Then we just write port is equals to 8000. Hopefully it's going to change now. Okay, let's kill the server. Start it one more time. npm run dev. Yeah, oh, for some reason it hasn't adjusted. Why? .port, right? Yeah. Wait, boys, just give me a sec. Let me. Yep. I actually want to read what you guys are saying. So, oh my god, bro, you know what? I told you guys I lost my phone, right? So I just have to like view everything from here, like from my other computer. Java guy attendance, my brother. How much watch time you've done compared to 4,000 watch time? Oh, you want to know how? I lost my phone, bro, in a funny way. You guys won't even believe, bro. You guys won't even believe how stupid. Well, I'm gonna get a new phone probably like next month. I'll get a new phone next month. For now, I'm good. I'm good like this. Yeah, I have backup phones. Y'all shouldn't worry about me, boys. I have backup phones. Okay, y'all shouldn't worry about me. I have like I have like this XS Max here. I have this Android which is like Note 8, and I have my computer here, so I'm good, bro. But it's just that the other iPhone was my favorite. The other 13 was just too good for me. So yeah, I'm going to get a new one soon. Like I'm actually planning for like 14 Pro Max. That's what I want to get. I should show my setup. somebody somebody said I'm rich. Nah, I'm not rich, bro. I'm just a dude who's grinding. I need a job, bro. What are you saying? You guys have seen my setup a couple of times, so I don't know why you want to see the setup now. All right, let's go. Let me see. Let me see. If we go to like last 90 days, you see like last 90 days we have watch time of almost 2,000. So somebody said rich with the heart, mega rich. I'm not. I'm not mega rich. Yeah. So we're going crazy. We're going crazy, bruh. So let me see. It's 90. Wait, this last 90 days. What's going on? All right, these are last 90 days, my G. In a bottle of water. Yo, that's true. I always keep a lot of bottles of water around me, bro. Mm. I drink a lot of water, bro. I don't know if you guys notice. So I'm gonna go to like on. Let me show you. So as you can see, we are close to getting monetized because YouTube you get monetized after you close this off. So this is what's left. This small gap here. Yeah, bro, he's the mod. He's the mod of the channel. Yeah, that's true. Let me see. Public watch hours. No. Yeah, but if you come here, you can tell like the subscribers we shall get it. We shall get the 1K faster than the watch time. Watch time is what takes time, bro. I don't know. Like, bro, it's so hard. It's so hard for you to get the entire 4,000 hours of watch time. Yeah, it's so hard, bro. You just gotta grind, bro. That's it. Yo, I'm not rich, bro. You guys stop with that narrative, man. I'm not rich, bro. I'm broker than a bitch. Excuse my French. NPM Rande. Wait, why is it not reading this? Okay, let's go back here and see .env.config. So we got port here. Hey, the port should be outside. Yep. Yeah. So if we run that again. Yep, it has adjusted. Broker than a bitch. But eat sushi every day. What? I don't eat sushi every day. What the fuck? The fuck is sushi? Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you something. Y'all see this? Y'all seen this? This is what I love. See, this is what I love. Swerving. I might swerve in a corner. Oh, oh. Bro, which country? I'm from South Sudan, bro, but I'm currently living in Rwanda, my East African neighboring country. Yep. Let me see what's going on. Okay, that's cool. I think we have the startup project good. Health route. If I let me just let me check my postman. Just give me a sec. Okay, I'm just. If I were a boy. Yeah, let me check. Bro, let me hope you guys can hear me, bro. I extended the mic away from me, but it should be getting my voice like clearly. Okay, should be picking my voice. So let's take this CRUD API down. Let me close everything. Close all files. I think you have singing ability. Try to sing, bro. Okay, let me try to sing. Om tera bina bire na sakte tera bina kya wujudu mera kunkutum hi ho ab tu hi ho zindagi ab to you. As somebody said, you dragging Indian bus is crazy. Yeah. I don't know. I listen to them though. I like them because I've been watching a lot of Indian movies. I've been watching a lot of Indian movies, bro. So that's the thing. Like since I was a kid, bro, I used to like this. Like I once dated an Indian girl though. Like she was my girlfriend. Her name was Hirani Twinkle Ranjan, something like that. That was my girlfriend. You feel what I'm saying? Back when I was in high school. But yeah, we broke up, and she went to India. So she's in India now. She's the one who told me that song. Alright, let's. What's that? What is Natu Natu song? Brother, tell me some nasty song because the name doesn't sound good. The name don't sit right with me, bro. Let's see. So this is JavaScript, but I want to turn this to TypeScript. Yeah, because I hate working with JavaScript now for some reason, bro. I want to turn this to TypeScript. Let's see. Can we turn this to TypeScript? So I think the first thing to do is to just change this stuff to index.tsx. Now let's see what we are going to face. TS actually index.ts. Going to face a lot of issues. What's going on here? Could not find. Yeah, we need types for express. Bro, you vibe coding? No, I'm not. I'm not vibe coding. I don't know what this guy is talking about, bro. Why do people just assume I'm vibe coding, bro? Do you guys have that much hatred for me? I was vibe coding the front end, right? I vibe coded the front end until my eyes were actually bloodshed red. Is it bloodshed red? Red bloodshed. Blood red shed. Oh my god. Okay. Let's install the types for core. That is it. .env doesn't need any types, so that's cool. Let's say now npm install TypeScript. TypeScript and TypeScript node. Okay. Like it won the Oscar. I cannot listen to it on stream, bro. They're going to ban my channel. See what happened, bro? The other time somebody's website had some songs and I played it, bro. I was in trouble the entire time, bro. Like YouTube literally they knocked on my door. They said, "Hey, copyright, bro." Yeah. This guy doesn't know, bro. Oh wait. Please, please don't. Uh, yeah, I'll listen to it after. Don't burn Prism. That's our brother. Yeah, Prism. You had the mod, bro. You had the mod. Don't spam, bro. The mod is going to ban you. Ban this Indian guy, man. Wait. This dude, you're not Indian. Wait, are you not Indian, bro? I even thought you were Indian before. Yeah. Okay, for sure. That makes sense, though. That makes sense. I didn't even think about it like that. Yeah, bro, we all brothers here. You feel me? Indian, whether African, what? Like, bro, we all brothers. So yeah, let's chill on that. It's all good though. It's all good. It's all love. Let's see. What are we missing now? I think we've installed TypeScript. We are missing TS. We need to run the engine, right? Which is npx tsc init. Issued TypeScript compiler. It has created that TypeScript compiler. So yeah, now all of a sudden TypeScript compiler is already spotting issues. Very good. Very good. Okay, now let's go back here and check the TypeScript compiler for some reason. Let's see. We have node next. So we need to force file names should be true. And then I think instead of node next, we should change this to like ES6 something. Yep, I think ES6 should be okay. ES6. Now, what else? We shouldn't be facing issues. Oh yeah. Oh, modules. All right, let's take off these first file names for a second. See. Hmm. Uh-huh. Node next must be equal to one of the following. Wow. Now I'm having issues, bro. Now I'm under pressure. What pressure? Have you ever given it a thought? Okay, why JSON is not TSON? it's it is JavaScript object notation, so it has to be JavaScript. TypeScript is just TypeScript is actually just for types. If you think about it, TypeScript is just to add type safety. It's not really changing the entire logic of JavaScript. It just adds type safety to JavaScript. So that's why most of the things will always be in JavaScript. But if need be, then they will have to add. Let me see. Set the JavaScript language version for emitted JavaScript, and boys, I'm not happy with what's going on here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to filthy wave, and I'm just gonna go to TypeScript, and I'm just gonna select this. Why does it use 17, bro? Whoa. Why is it using ES17? That is crazy work. Yeah, I should be asking AI more for real. I should stop stressing you guys. You know how I talk? I just want you guys to like, to vibe with me as well. You get it? Okay, come on, Jess. I think this should be okay. If I come back here and just remove this false whatever, this should be okay. Hmm. ES6. Let me try here 2020 and come and say false case names. Yeah, import this. The modules declared the exporter can only be used as default import when using the allow synthetic default inputs flag. Okay, allow default synthetic import flag. True. Oh yeah, this is it. What else? Did you mean to set the module option to node next? .env from .env. Okay, I'm almost actually setting it. Maybe he's listening to that song. Why is my brother getting offended, bro? What's going on with him? You shouldn't get offended, bro. God damn. He's all love over here, brusky. Node next. Alright, that shit. Oh my god. Wait, ES6. Yeah, this is going to clarify everything. Good. Oh, still. Let me check fix. Let me check quick fix, bro. AI is just gonna fix it for me. Oh, I didn't install .env. I thought I did. Wait, couldn't find .env. I didn't. Okay, let me check the package JSON. Yeah, they have .envs there, or the types for .env, I think. think we need to install types.env, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just copy this. Let me say types.env, npm install --save, and this should be .env. Hopefully this should get it done. This should clarify that problem. Yep, good. Yeah, so this slide problem that we're left with is something easy, but we can get that over with in a sec. Okay. Oh my god, black beaters in the city, they confiscate the money. So these ones are still in JS, that's why they're having a problem. AI, okay. all right, thank you. Let's go here, we change this to TS. Go here, we change this to TS. All right, for some reason I'm not gonna need these ones, but I'm just I don't know why I'm changing them though, because I'm not gonna need them. I think I'm gonna need the health one, the health route. I'm gonna need the health route, obviously. But do I have to go all the way to like? Nah, I'll just create a new route for the health route. So that should be okay on routes. Let's go to controllers. Let me just go here and delete the controllers. Also this controller, I'm just gonna delete everything, and I'm going to just say beat. I think I'll just say beat dot controller dot ts, right? Not js. Okay, that should be okay for now, and let's go and create its route. So this is going to be beat dot route dot ts. All right, we have that in place. So I just need to come here and remove these ones. I'm just gonna keep it like this. For the API here, I'm just gonna use api.get API slash v1 slash help. Okay, this one is just gonna be a help API slash help. Okay, just gonna keep it like that, and I'm just gonna get this, remove this request and response, and then that should be it. Now we're gonna have a response status of 200 .json. We're gonna have just message. Yep. And here we can just say beat. Let's say data bucket API running is running. Okay, I think that should be good for the API health. I'm just gonna say API health check. You didn't ask me what I'm creating. I'm actually creating the backend for this. Okay, right now, as you can see, this is static. Everything you see here is static. I need to connect this with the API, with the backend. Everything is static here. I just want to connect it to the backend. How to add the beat, create the beat, update the beat, and all that stuff. Yeah, and we're going to use AWS as well. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. So health check, and I'm just gonna say the beat routes. The beat CRUD routes. Finish. And did that guy help you with this? No, that guy is building the other one. Is the other application, Filthy Wave, not this one, not Dirty Bucket. Dirty Bucket is a different application. This is API slash v1. I could actually leave the version out. I'm gonna leave the versioning out for now. Well, let's just add it. V1 slash beat and what else? Yeah, you know only filter wave. No, bro. This is not filter wave. This application here is called Dirty Bucket. I turned it. I removed the front end. But yeah, this is an application for selling beats. This is for selling beats. The other one is for uploading beats. You get. And if I notice the traction is we're growing so much, I'm going to combine the two so that even within this application for selling beats, we can even have where you can upload your uploaded beats that you've already uploaded here directly to YouTube. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. So no worries at all. It's gonna be wonderful, bro. Yeah, that's actually a dope idea. So let's keep working. We could actually call this just beat, and I'm just gonna call this beat routes. Just want to make it as easy, as simple as possible. Let's go to beat routes, import routes, router. Oh, matter of fact, let me just say export cons, and then beat routes. Just select that beat routes is equals to. Now we can just take router from Express, and that should be it. Then we'll go back here. We just import this. Click this, import. Okay, beat routes. That's okay right there. Then we go inside the beat routes and we create the controllers for it. So so beat routes dot get, and then we can have slash, and here we can have beat controllers, beat controllers, something like that. All right. Then we go ahead and create this controller, copy this, go inside the beat controller, export cons, beat controller is equals to open an object, and then here we're just gonna say get beats, then async, and have request and response. Oh my god. This is request type request, and this is type response. Then we just go and import this. Let's go. Oh, bro, you use page or app router in Next.js? I use app router. I don't use page. Like I left it since Next 13. I think Next 13 or Next something. Import type and then request. Oh my god, no, not from there. Request from Express. Okay, and response from Express as well. Which one should I take? Not that one. Response. I think it's this one. Okay. Yep. Then we have that. We go ahead and create like 3 of these. 3. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can just change this to create beat. Then we change this to update beat, and we can change this to delete beat. Create beat, update beat, delete beat. We could say update a beat, delete a beat, or something. I think this is okay like that. We're just gonna leave that. We can come here and just import this, import the controllers, and then come here dot, not like that. Okay, dot, we're gonna say dot get beats. That should be this one, and then we create another like 4 of these. Then this is gonna be post, which is slash this, and then we say dot create beat. Alright, this one is gonna be with an ID. It's gonna be beat ID, and then this is going to be post. I mean, this is put. We can use put or patch, it depends. And then let's change this to delete. All right, and this should also take a bit ID. Let's go back here. Get a bit ID, then we just say dot delete bit, and then this one is dot update bit. All right, I think we have that. I think we have most of the controllers and all that in place, except we have a problem. I don't know where. Where do we have the problem? I can see something yellow or what? Wait, why do I see something here? What's the issue? Does it show that we have an error or what? I don't know. I don't think we have an error, but I can just see some orange stuff. I don't know what it contains emphasized items. What does emphasized items mean? I'm confused right now. What? I think it's a Git problem, right? Just give me a sec. Let me look through this. Blackbeard is in the city. They confiscate the money. All right, I think that is okay. That is okay for that. We just need to come here and just create everything that we need. So we can go ahead and create get all bits. For this one, obviously we don't have anything, so we're just gonna have a little try catch so that we can catch this console. I think it should be log. File is untracked. Use git add. Oh, okay. Matter of fact, for some reason I don't want to keep track of whatever that's here. Okay. Before I even start coding, before I start coding this, I'm going to take this off. I want to just let this one be the starter thing, right? So I want to like how do I remove this? How do I remove this git thing? How do I stop the code from? Couldn't find the declaration. Home route. Oh wait, we have home route. There's something called home route. Yeah, the U here is okay. I'm talking about there is something here inside the problem. Look at it. I don't know what this means. Editor could not open because the file was not found. Or if the file was not found, how is it my problem then? Let me close it and open it again. Alright, let's open it one more time. Filthy backend. Alright, it's not having that problem again. Yeah. So I actually want to change this. So let me say git remote v. Okay, so it's tracking to this. I want to change. Yeah. I want to change the remote repo to something else. So let me open git. This is the remote repo. I could actually come here and just say dirty bucket up bucket. I'm just gonna make it like this, create this, and let's go and just make this as our first commit. So it's already initialized. I'm just going to change it like this. Hopefully it don't disturb, right? Wait a minute, this git is already initialized with that. So how do we change the remote repo? Final year, something crazy. Oh, you want wait, when are you doing your final year, bro? When are you doing your final year? When are you doing your final year, bro? Hmm. Yo, it's your final year. Oh, Jesus. My boy is about to finish, bro. See, bro, here's the thing. Let me try. I think here, first of all, let me first try to see. How can I, let me just ask AI real quick. How do I change from one repo to another from the terminal? Okay, let's see. Changing one git repo. So, yes. So git remove set origin. Or remote set origin to this. Alright, so I'll have to set the origin to the new one. So URL origin. Okay, cool. Let's go back. Say git remote repo set origin. Then I can just add it. I can just add this one for now. Copy. Go back here. Grab that. Set origin. And then git remote. Git remote dash v should. Okay, I think we're good to go now. I'm just gonna go here and say git add everything, and then git commit. So the commit message will just come from here. Okay, let's go back here and just pick this commit. Copy. Mr. Programmer, did you check AI Fiesta? No. What is AI Fiesta, my brother? Oh my god. Cool. I think. Oh shit. Let's go back. What is AI Fiesta, brother? Namaskar Dosto. What's that? So that you can land a job in Google. Build a to-do list. Why are you guys evil like this in the chat, bro? Who who's supposed to build a to-do list to learn something? It's a Git starter for so okay, we were supposed to actually delete this Git ignore thing, and these two we're actually supposed to delete them and then just add new ones, right? Yeah, this git ignore is what actually yeah, bro, language barrier. AI Fiesta, AI aggregator platform. What does it do? Let me see. AI Fiesta. What does it do? AI aggregator. Oh, world's most powerful AI is one chat subscription. Stop juggling tabs and subscriptions. Yo, it does all the AI LLM stuff. Wow. $12 a month. Nah, this is crazy. I don't believe this. Yeah, I speak Nigerian, bro. If you know Nigerian, just speak perplexity sono, bro. Yeah, it's cool. Thank you for that, bro. I'm not big on AI though. So I don't know. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna go there. But yeah, it is what it is. I feel like it's a good thing to check out. It's not bad at all. So let me check. Wait, the GitHub. I think it's showing that is. Let me check the repo. Just give me a sec. For some reason, I think yeah, it now shows TypeScript. Um, it's public. I don't know. Should I leave it public? Fuck it, bro. We'll debug on our own. We are not gonna pay some AI for it. For real. Yeah, I feel like paying AI when you don't have money coming in is not the best solution. Yeah, unless you have like a job or you have money coming in, then yeah. But if you don't have any money coming in now, my local language is Shuluk, bro. Look it up. Look up something called Shuluk. a group of people called Shuluk. You'll find them there. Yep. I think that is okay. Wait, why is this dude a contributor? I don't know. How are you a contributor to my stuff? What did you contribute, bro? I don't know how this dude is a contributor. What did this dude contribute to this, bro? I don't remember this dude being a contributor to nothing. What? And they should look close to the Luo of Kenya. Yeah, yeah. Not the yeah, Luo and Jaluo, actually Jaluo of Kenya, right? Like the tribe of Obama. Yeah, bro. If you do your research, bro, Barack Obama speaks the same language as me, bro. No, I didn't get hacked. That was some dude that actually he actually made this, he made this description thing right here. This readme. You get it. I could actually delete it because we don't need it right now. So you see that he's the one who wrote the readme. So that's why he's still a contributor there. But we're gonna remove it because we're not using it now. You feel me? And we don't even need it though. Delete the readme. What else? What else can we remove? Yeah, this dot yeah this dot getting nothing. I'm gonna delete it as well. Now what I'm gonna do there's 1K things, right? It's crazy. Let's come here, new file, say dot git ignore, and inside dot git ignore I'm just gonna pick one of my projects, prod filthy. Go inside dot git ignore, just copy this entire thing. Yep, I think that should be okay. That should be okay. So what I'm gonna do now, just to be okay, I'm just gonna say git add everything. Then I'll just let AI generate a commit message, or we can just say git commit something simple. Let's just say clean clean slate with TypeScript. TypeScript in TypeScript with TypeScript backend. Okay, let's just say it like that. All right, that should be okay. Then I'm just gonna say, oh my god, I can't type, bro. Okay, git push. Okay, that is it. Git push that. That should be okay. Yeah, type this in your bro. You guys are using Node 16 and we are Node 24. I use Node 420. Type this in your terminal, NeoVim. Why? I don't want to use NeoVim, bruh. I know that's like I don't want to use NeoVim, man. I wanted to use it sometime, right? But bro, like the shortcuts are just insane. Your spelling will create huge chaos once you learn it. Yo. Who's spelling? My spelling? I have the best spelling in the world. It's just like my hands, like you see, here's the thing. Uh my fingers, I still don't have like the muscle memory for like where the letters are located. You see that? Like it takes me time. Unless I try to like hold the F and J position, then I just like, I find it awkward. Like, I can type it like this, but I find it so awkward. So I'm still gonna get used to it. Use NeoVim. I love it. You love NeoVim, bro. Ah, I love VS Code, man. It's super simple. It's like NeoVim is for those like imagine issues will be raised just to solve English spelling. Nah. Check my entire code. You'll never find slide mistakes like that. So let's check on GitHub. Bro, here's the thing. Once you get a job, nobody cares if you really type while looking at your keyboard, bro. So obviously, I'm gonna be looking at my keyboard so I don't make a mistake. Like, okay, HJ, okay, fine, that's it. Let's go ahead and see. I think we don't have that guy as a contributor. We still have him as a contributor for some reason. I don't know why. Still have him as a contributor. I don't know what he contributed to this project, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to kick him out from this because he did not contribute to nothing here. How do they remove the contributors, bro? No, I'm just gonna leave it. It's okay. You are 24 and in third year. How many times did you fail? I took a lot of break, man. I took a lot of gap years. Yeah, I took a bro. Like I could have graduated since 2019. I took a lot of breaks, man. Took a lot of breaks. A lot, not just one. A lot. Alright, so we have that. We have that in place. Yeah, I think we can now go ahead and start building the stuff, right? So yeah, except we don't have anything like okay, let's go ahead and Postgres. Yeah, this is Docker compose dot YAML. You see that? You see that? You see that? See I'm hustling. Okay, Docker compose YAML. Gonna have services and first of all, right? Gap years are considered bad in corporate. For real? Are you going to snitch though? Are you going to snitch about me, bruh? Are you gonna tell them? Yeah, if you're not gonna snitch, then don't worry, we're good. Unless you're gonna snitch that, hey, this dude took a gap year. Yeah, bruh, I'm not. Like, nobody cares about your gap year or whatever. Nobody cares even about the school anymore, bruh. Employers don't even give a damn, bruh. It'll be seen in my resume. No, here's the thing. Here's the thing. Let's be honest, bruh. See, I started uni in 2020 something, okay? I took gap years just after high school. After high school, I took long break before I even got to the university. That's why I was still chilling, enjoying my life. That's why I went to Egypt. I went to a lot of countries, bro. I spent like 1 year and some months in Egypt until I came here. So it's a lot of time wasted. But it's cool though. I needed it for real. You can write lies, just put that you are working as a CEO for OpenAI. You're so stupid. Bro, you gotta get terminated, bro. Don't do that. Don't listen to this guy. This guy is a liar, bro. Nobody cares about that shit, bro. Okay, let me just grab this, grab that. Go here, .env, grab that. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and delete this. Alright, let me open the door. Just give me a sec. I don't know who's at the door. Those were the days how I work forever pays. I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all we got? Everything I want to you was son and rap on my side. Yo, Filthy, we're gonna hack you. Why you expose your secret keys? Yeah, those are those are for those keys are just they are not real keys, right? ah, they're not real keys. Don't worry. They're for some project that I was explaining how to like create. how to create this Google stuff with. So I can just go and revoke it. It's not a big deal. My guy said he'll hack me for that. That's crazy work. Okay, let's see. Prog filthy wave. Let me change this to dirty bucket. And this can be dirty bucket as well. Give us the key, bro. Which key? The key to what? The key to what, bro? This guy is so evil that give us the key. The key to what, bro? Okay, let's see what else. Yeah, bro. You see, I'm going to implement Dodo payment stuff. Not today, not today. I have that. Okay, that is okay. Now, what else? The PostgreSQL thing. Okay. That bucket. I think that should be it. All right. Let's go ahead and let me see .env. Yeah, I think it's okay now. We can go ahead and run docker compose. We can go ahead and run docker compose. Let me just yep. All right, let's go ahead here. Just run docker compose. Docker compose up. Docker compose build. Docker compose up. Dash build and detach mode. Instead of spinning up a Docker instance, why don't you get an instance from render? This helps saving Docker from crashing your machine. Also, the render Postgres instance is free. This is just for my local development though. Docker has never crashed my machine. You know what Docker uses? It uses like 500 MBs only. Yeah, it's like 500 MBs, just less than a gigabyte. Like for what it does, it doesn't crash my machine. But I feel like for local development, it's better. Like the other one, I have to like do a lot of stuff. For this one, is easy. Look, um, in a second, I have my instance running. I think that's why I like it. That's just that. But that's a good idea to look into for sure. Yeah, but when I'm going to like deploy the application later, I'll deploy everything on render. So render or railway, one of the two. So I think that should be okay. Docker crashes, I've never. Yeah, bro, I've never experienced Docker crashing. Like I don't know, your computer has a problem. I've never experienced Docker crashing, not at all. Um, let's see. Yeah, Docker can crash though if you have like a lot of like containers running at once. It can crash because it give like you can see it's taking it's even less than 500 MBs literally. Um, it's taking 3 GB. It's not inside your computer. This is within Docker itself. Now there are 8 CPUs available. The container usage. Oh my god, this is a lot. Oh, it's free. That now look, have a look at this. Have a look at this. We have a free Postgres. You make it crash if you open too many containers. Yeah. But look, we have a free database Postgres as well. You see that? I feel like it's almost the same thing. It's just because I'm using Prisma right now. I want to use Prisma. That's why. npx Prisma init. I actually want to use Prisma. That's why. No, Prisma is my favorite ORM. How many hours you code in a day? A lot, bro. My boy Picture. You be watching my regular videos, bro. Welcome to the stream, my G. I be coding a lot of hours. I put in a lot of hours. Yeah, I put in a lot of hours, bro. That is like I don't know, like in a day maybe 8 hours, cause I might stream for like 3 hours or 4 hours. Then after bathing or after eating, I get bored and then I start coding again off stream. So yeah. All right, we have this, we have Docker, SpanUp, Prisma, and all that. So we have a schema. Let's go ahead and remove this. We remove this generator thing. All right, let's just create a little model. Let's just call this beat. Then we need an ID string. That's ID. Type ID. Not di ID. And by default, it's CUID, occlusion resistant unique identifier. Now you are in React or what? No, I'm not in React, bro. This is not this is Express.js, which is a framework of Node.js. Okay, so a bit can have a title string. A bit can have a description. I think for bits we don't really need description. We need price, and it can be string. And then for the price, I don't know if the price should be int or string. For now, let's just keep it a string. Price can be float though. I feel like float is better, but let's just keep it a string for now. Okay, price can be string, and we're going to need currency, right? Currency can be a string as well. Yeah, it can be an enum, right? Currency can be enum. So I just need to accept only USD. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it as USD. Watching down. What? Doing down? Why, bro? What is doing down? So a bit can have a price, can have a BPM, bit per minute, which is string, and also it can have a key, which is also a string, and then a bit can have enum all the way. No, not enum all the way, my G. What's going down? Why, bro? What do you mean why? What's going on? As in what? We're building the backend for our bit platform. BPM is a string. BPM is the reason why BPM is a string. Let's say yeah. Oh my god, did I put BPM is a number? Beat per minute. Jeez, I'm crazy. Type number is never built in, so it's int. I think we should keep it float, right? Yeah, float 32. Did I have float 64? Okay, let's just keep it like that. Float. Oh, it can be int. I don't know. One of the two. Int, BPM. BPM is a valid. BPM can be a float though. Bit per minute can be a float. The key string can be key like F minor, F sharp minor. Yeah, that's a number. Correct. There's no number on this thing though. Yeah, and matter of fact, it should be BPM should be float. Yeah, BPM should be float because there are BPMs like 120.02 BPM, bit per minute. You get. All right, a BPM, a bit can have a title, can have a price, can have a currency, can have tag. I'm just gonna keep this as string. I think it should be a string array for the tags, right? But I don't know. I'm thinking about keeping it as a string. A tag. A bit can have a license. This can also be a string array and an array of strings, right? So I think that should be it for now. So what I'm gonna do for the license and the tag, they can just be optional. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we keep this as optional? Price, let me see. By default, it should be 0, right? Okay, currency, this one by default, I'm thinking by default we should keep this as like USD. So by default, it should just be USD. What else? Float, key, tag. We have license. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it like this for now. Well, these ones, I don't know why they are supposed to be required. Optional lists are not supported. All right, for now, let's just keep it like this. Optional. Let's just keep the license as optional for now. So that is gonna be it, and then we're gonna get the date, the time it was created at, and by default, oh, this is date time, and then by default is date now. Okay, then updated at it should be date time, and then it should be by default updated at. All right, that should be it for the beat. That should be it for the beat, man. I'm gonna keep it like this. I think it's cool like this. All right, that is a good structure for the beat. Let's just go ahead and push these changes. All right, let's see. Let's go to the .env. Hopefully, okay, we have this database URL. Okay, that is okay. Now let's create let's say npx prisma generate. So it's going to generate a client using what we gave it. So it's going to take some time, some minutes. All right, I think it has generated the client. So let's get the client. Now we're good to go. If I come here and then go inside the lib folder rather than libjs, we're just gonna have libts. Okay, how to stay addicted to coding while learning a lot. I can't help you on that, bro, because it's only for you to find out what you really want, my G. Prisma client. Okay. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like these imports. I don't like these imports at all. I'm just gonna say Prisma client. Okay, I'm going to put it like this, and I'm just gonna say from Prisma slash client. Could not find this module. Did you mean to set the module resolution to Node Next or to add aliases to the path? I think we should just go and change everything to Node Next, bro. Bro, why you hate AI so much and not use it at all? I don't know, bro. I just don't know. I feel like AI just makes you dull. I don't know. It's something about it that just, bro, back in high school when you just solve like a permutation number or some crazy number with just your brain, bro, sometimes you feel good about yourself. You feel me? That's the vibe I'm getting. But yeah, I don't think AI is that bad, but I don't know. I'm not a big fan of AI, bro. Let's go and check inside the TS config. We probably have an issue with this. Let me try to replace this. Not next. All right, the module can be whatever it is. Let's see. Okay. Yo. All right. ES6 and yeah. Okay, this is the import. Then we can have the other one as node next. Node next. Okay, compiler. Uh, bruh. What's going on there? Okay, let me go here. Let me pick. Wait, audio. Nope, 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 nope. Which one? Which TS config should we use? Data bucket. I think we should use this one. Just go here. This TS config for the front end is not what I want. Go inside the backend, pick this TS config, copy this, then yeah, I'm just gonna replace this TS config with this. Preserve. Why do we have preserve here? Okay, ES next, and then the module can be ES6. All right, then we can have this as false, file name true. Okay, come back here. We can remove this. All right, here Prisma client. Good, good. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my god. So from now on, I'll forever use this TS config, like forever and ever. Hold on. Forever and ever, I'll use this TS config. I don't want this configuration to change ever. So let me come here and just replace this with this. Okay, and forever, every application. Matter of fact, let me just go and drop it here. Let me just go ahead and drop here inside. I'm just gonna say TS config, my favorite TS config for every app. Okay, that is it. I'll forever use this TS config, bruh. That should be it now. Okay, let's go here and then let's just drop check here. So we have Prisma client. Cool. I think that should be okay. Then we say export cons. Prisma, we just say Prisma is equals to Prisma client, then invoke it. I think that should be okay. What is that? Oh yeah, did I mean new? Okay, new. That should be okay now. So I think everything should be set. If I'm not mistaken, the only thing we are left with is to just say Docker compose. I think Docker compose is running. Yeah, it has been running 16 minutes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring it down. Docker compose down for now. Let's take it back up. Docker compose up in detach mode. That should be running now. I think I don't have any other problem again. Okay, we have the schema. We just need to say npx db push. Okay, npx prisma db push our changes. We're good to go, man. Good. All right, now we just if I check right now, I say so npx prisma studio, I should be able to see our studio live, and it should be having our database tables. Cool. So we have bit, and we have this. Okay, we have that. We have a price, currency, BPM, that. Okay. So I think that should be okay. Yep. I think that should be okay now, my boys. Now, later when we add authentication, that's when we can come and say only authenticated user. So a user can have like user ID, something like that, and then the table is user, and that's the relation. Then we just go ahead and create a table and all that stuff. So that's gonna be it for now with this. Let's just keep it like that. We can just go ahead and create the bit now. So I'm good now. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come back here to this, say just git Just push that. That's how I code, bro. I push my changes regularly. So let's come back here and we just create a simple commit message. Let's say added Prisma plus Postgres dockerized Postgres PostgreSQL. Dockerized PostgreSQL. I think that is it. That should be it. We'll go ahead and just push that. Okay, that is okay now. So we can go ahead and just create the CRUD application, except I don't know if the application is still running. I think the node is not running. Let's say npm run dev. We have crashed. Why have we crashed? Let's see why we have crashed. So index.js node-moon. Okay, we are running TS. So let's go to our package JSON node-moon src. We change this to TS. We go here, we change this to TS. So I think that is okay. Except we have this. So let me just say for start, I'm just going to say node and then src, change everything later to index.js. Oh, it'll run TS. I don't know. Let's just keep it like that for now. Cool. Rather than backend, I'm just going to say dirty bucket backend. Okay, does not match the pattern. Name does not match the pattern of. Yo, what? Ah, whoa. What's going on? Okay, let it just be like that. I don't want any issues again, right? Let's come back here. Hopefully we don't have any problem. Let's kill this server and npm run dev. It should run now. There's no ts command. Okay, I think npm install ts node. Oh my god, ts node. Okay, that should be it now. Npm run dev. Yep. Oh shit, we're still crashing, bro. Okay, what's the issue now? What's the missing module? Wow. Bit.route imported. Okay, what's going on? Could not find the bit.route imported from this. Oh, okay. Let's see bit.route. This is it. Could not find what? Could not find bit.route. I'm confused, bro. Route.ts. Alright, let me just go ahead and remove this. So import these again. Okay. What else? Let's go back inside this and controllers. Let's remove it. Say import controllers. Import. Alright, it should work now. Unless there's genuinely something else. Yeah. Okay. Let's try it one more time. Yeah. npm run dev. Okay. npm run dev. Wow. Could not find what? Cannot find a module. Imported. Wait a minute. Could not find what actually. Can you guys read with me, bro? You cannot find the module ts node src ts. Okay. Cannot find the module. Routes b.route imported from. Oh, so the issue is that the route thing, or which one? Let me see. Export cons routes is equals to router. Controllers. The issue is not in the controller really. Export cons. Okay, let me just say cons export this. Let me keep this open. So inside here, slash beats, not slash beat. Okay, we're gonna keep this as slash beats. App.use, app.get, app.use, API v1 beats, beat route. And let me just go ahead and delete this. And let's import beat routes from routes. Yeah, I don't know why this is failing, bro. Okay, let me just ask AI what's the problem here. See, missing beat route file, couldn't find this. Okay, I imported what? I imported this. It's okay. Check your source. Did you have beat up this? Wait, this is beat.route.ts or beat.routes.ts. Oh my god. Let's go here. Let's see. Perfect. Thanks for sharing. The file looks fine. So the errors are really about how it's imported in the index.ts. And I'll find the module this. It requires extension when running task within it. So import. So import and handle the mapping. Nah, that is because of my TS config. That's because of this TS config, bruh. I think the issue is in the TS config. Syntax expected from god.env issues. Right now, your config is set up more like a front-end React bundler rather than a backend node. You doesn't play nicely with TS load. Okay. Compile to latest JS. Okay, let's go. Let me just pick that. Okay. Module should be node next. Huh? Hmm. Yeah, it's AI giving us things that are deprecated, bruh. The fuck? Give us things that are deprecated already. What the fuck? JSX, no. React JSX, no. We don't need that. Module force, bundler mode, bundler true. No, emit true. Yeah, I think now it's okay. Let me just run it one more time. npm run dev. Oh god. Let me just add the exports thing. Dot ts. Just go back here. Dot ts. This is bullshit, bruh. Okay. Fuck. That's just that. Oh my god. Shit. Oh shit. Uh-huh. I think that is it, bro. I'm fucking tired. I'm just gonna kill this thing. Let me just send this to push everything. And just added corrected routes. Corrected route. Input. Import and export. Import and export. So that is gonna be it, boys. I think when we come back tomorrow, we are gonna get ready. We're gonna get straight into coding the stuff. So yeah, I gotta get ready. Gotta arrange the house now, bro. So see you guys tomorrow, my brothers. Also love. We kill this. What? What? What's that, bro? Okay. All right. Let's see. Docker compose down. I'll be scattering right now. Yep. Oh, it's not bad, bro. We've streamed for 3 hours. That's nuts. Yeah, I'm gonna go off, bro. See you guys tomorrow. When I get back tomorrow, we shall code like the actual thing. So